Hiya and welcome to a really quick one today on G-clamps or C-clamps or cramps or whatever you want to call them. I was unwrapping a parcel, and this record 4 appeared. Now I've got other records, I shall go and get them. Boxes everywhere. I've still got stuff in boxes from when I moved the sheds. So that's a 1, 2, it says a 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 1, 2, 1, 8. That's another 1, 2, 1, 8. That's a 1, 2, 1, 10. That's another. So I'm digging these out as I'm going. That's a 1, 2, 1, 8. And that's a 1, 2, 1, 12. Whew. That's a little bit heavy on. That weighs about, I don't know, perhaps a 12 stands for weight. Perhaps that weighs about 12 kilos. Fuller 5-inch. Taparia 6-inch. Got some interesting patterns here. Malibu 3-inch. That's got, I've got this Wooden one, same as the Vice makers. It's got a nice bend in it as well. There's some work there, straight out some. Marbles and Sons. It's so twisted. This was all twisted as well, but this is straight now, but it just doesn't line up, and I don't want to bend this because it's quite old and don't really want to do no damage. That's alright. I like that hanging on the wall as it is. So there's that one. I haven't restored that. And then there's cute little Paramo one, 3-inch. So yeah, that's it for the G-clamps. For the big ones. Got a couple of boxes over there of unnamed ones and small ones. But yeah, so that's some G-clamps. Obviously, when you get to this size, they're big ones. This has been someone's custom put this bit on. Obviously, as the world. I'll get that off. I might have to reinforce the wall if I'm going to do a John fix and start hanging clamps on the wall of this size. Right. Okay, that's it. That's a quick one. Thanks for watching and all that. Please like, subscribe, share it. Don't know what else to say. 80% of my viewers are coming from non-subscribers. So why don't those 80% subscribe, please? If you don't subscribe, the squash is going to get it.
Oh, he's serious, people. He's serious. Like, subscribe and ring the bell. Please, please. He's serious.
Okay, that's all for now. Back again at a normal time. Bye for now.